The long arm of the law has finally found a South African fugitive from justice in Brazil. 39-year-old Gerhardus Jansen van Vuuren was charged with stabbing his ex-girlfriend to death in May 2011 and skipped the country in 2013 while out on bail. He was arrested by Brazil's federal police on Thursday and could face extradition. Michael Appel has the story.
On the 2nd of May 2011, 25-year-old Andrea Venter, an accountant living in Johannesburg, was violently attacked and stabbed to death, allegedly by her ex-boyfriend, Gerhardus Jansen van Vuuren. His bail in the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court was successfully opposed by the state 9 times. Jansen van Vuuren then appealed to the South Gauteng High Court and was released on 15,000 rand bail in December 2011. Somewhere in mid-May 2013, 4 days before his trial was due to start, he was driven by his father to King Shaka International Airport, where he jetted off to Brazil via Dubai on a false passport. Venter's father says he tried everything to track Jansen van Vuuren down.
Since he's gone, I've got pictures on my vehicle, I've got pictures in the newspaper, of local newspaper, to try and find him, let the people see. And just phone me and tell me, we've got him, here he is in the mall or downtown here, where he is, but to no avail.
Not long after Jansen van Vuuren's arrival in South America, in August 2013, his whereabouts were identified by the SAPS, who conveyed this information via Interpol. He was arrested by the Brazilian Federal Police for possessing false documents and trying to bribe police. Despite his extradition having been finalized in 2014, Brazilian authorities demanded he serve his time in a Brazilian prison before returning back home.
Because we do not have an extradition treaty with Brazil, NPA and ourselves will process the application through diplomatic channels. We're hoping that within a reasonable time we'll have him here in South Africa.
That wasn't to be. In 2016, Jansen van Vuuren was suspiciously released from a Brazilian jail and spent the next 4 years in hiding. But the search for Jansen van Vuuren never ended though. ENCA has learned that with the recent assistance of the SAPS, Brazilian Federal Police finally arrested him in the community of Bangu in the west zone of Rio de Janeiro on Thursday. SAPS spokesperson Brigadier Vish Naidu confirmed our courts approved Van Vuuren's extradition, but he still faces unknown pending charges in that country before he can be returned to local custody to stand trial for murder. Michael Appel, Johannesburg.